unbox something new today. I don't think you guys would expect this, but I ordered a wig, so for hair for New Year, I guess, because my hair is not that thick, and I feel like I want something that looks different and maybe looks good for Áo Dài, traditional Vietnamese New Year, which is a month ahead. So I ordered this because I saw a good review, DWY, Dream with Your Wig, in the nice box. Oh, look at this. Never thought that I would buy a wig because you can do your hair, but so basically they give you the hair, the hairband, the wig cap, and what is this? The net, elastic net. Oh, where's the hair cap for? Where's the band for? Wig cap? Do I need to read instruction? Okay, let's try, guys. Maybe it's just showing the easy way to doing it. It is the hair net with elastic. So let's try it on. This is my first time using wig. Basically, you have your hair. To show you the step of how you're gonna apply it. Okay, let me try. My hair not that clean, but how can I do it? Oh, over your face, and then pull this thing up. This is my first time, so I'm like, I don't really know if I'm doing it right. And then you just gonna have to pull all your hair in. I think something like this. And then let's open the wig. I feel like because my head is not as round in the back, so it doesn't pull all the hair in. Just try it. Okay, it's like a mess right now. Oh, it's kind of look like real hair. Synthetic hair. Should I cut this? What is this for? My first time, I don't even know. Oh my god, it looks so long and so round. Let's just try it. Yo. I don't even know where I'm gonna put. So the front here. Oh my god. Poking me. How do I look? Wow, this is actually not bad. I mean, so basically, I think people use a brush to just brush up the top so it's more volume. I don't really know what to do, to be honest. But maybe a few more time, start using it, it's gonna look better. Oh my god, my face looks so round. Oh no, what do you think? What do you think of my new hair? Well, I'm gonna have to figure it out before New Year so I can wear it more properly.